welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video. What I ordered versus what I got video, courtesy of yours truly, TEMU. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? And I'm so glad that you stopped through. I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it on in, baby. Give me a hug. We know, you know how we do. All right, guys. Y'all know I've been doing hauls lately, and I just want to thank you guys for showing up for these hauls. Like, y'all really showing your girl love, and I appreciate that. But if you've been watching me for a while, you know that Kaye Lanhi likes to bring you some news you can use, child. Some news you can use. I like to review so you don't have to. So what I did was take the liberty of giving myself a $50 budget, going on TEMU and finding some items. And we did. I did find some unique pieces that I want to share with you guys and show you, are they worth you getting? If that sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm not going to even much hold you. We're not going to drag this out. Let's get into this first number. Now, this little ensemble here caught my eye. All right, guys, if you see me looking down, it's because I'm trying to get the price for you, and well, at least the price what I noticed, TEMU's prices change, so I want to get the price for you that it was when I purchased it. This item here was $7.21. You guys know how I feel about Garanimals and camouflage. This item here was $7.21. You guys know how I feel about Garanimals and camouflage. So this was basically a no-brainer. Okay, so that's what I ordered, and this is what I got. It's like a mini dress. It has the peekaboo, and this part is supposed to go over your boob. So if your boob is, you know, normal size, it's probably gonna fall out. It's probably gonna fall out. As you can see, I'm having to hold my boob the whole entire time, but because I didn't want it to do a little nip slip, but just to kind of show you what the material is like. The material is giving like a do-rag material. It's, yeah. Honestly, I'm sending this dress back because keeping my boob, having a nip slip. And I know somebody probably, it's $7. Yeah, it's $7 and it's going back. But it's a cute dress. I think it's just for smaller boobs, I guess. This is a size large. And yeah, that's the first look. Alright, guys, let's get into this next one. Since we're doing the one sleeve thing, we might as well stay in that category right now. And so I want to show you guys this next look. This is what I ordered, and this is what I got. It is a one sleeve dress. It's a one sleeve dress on which I love. But y'all, look at the party in the back though. Look at the party in the back. Oh my God. It's a midi dress. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on right here, displayed on the side right here. And y'all, you see, I love it. This material is not necessarily, I'm trying to put it close just so y'all can kind of get a feel. This is the almost do-rag material. It's like a soft, it just feels like it's made with better quality than the first dress. I would definitely, this is definitely a keeper. I'm keeping this. So yeah, I love how she looks. So let's get into this next one. All right, guys, let's get into this next look. This look here, the yellow popped out at me, and I'm like, oh my God, I like that. That's so super cute, such a brunch look. And so this is what I ordered. And so in showing you what I got, it would be this little number here. Now, it's not too far off, but like the yellow that I'm looking at on there, this is more of a highlighter yellow. So this is more of a neon type leather. Now, even though it has the sleeveless, it's giving very much costume material, like Halloween costume material. It's kind of thick, but I don't think you would be hot. But what I like, the thickness holds in all the imperfections. So I really like that. So I love the flaps. So I think they kind of hit it with this one. And you'll see how I dressed it up here on the side. I just paired it with some green shoes, green pumps, just a little color blocking. Just, you know me, I ain't gonna never follow the rules. It was either that or leopard. I know. When you're at 50, you can do what you want to do. You don't do what they tell you to do. So, especially when it comes to fashion. So, yes, cute little brunch. I personally would wear it to a wedding, a little springtime wedding, and dress it up. Cause yes, it'd be hot. It's hot flash friendly. Almost, because the material thick. I think it's hot flash friendly though. But yeah, this is the next look. Now let's get into the next one. All right, y'all. Our next what I ordered versus what I got is this black jumpsuit. But y'all, this next number jumpsuit was very cute to me because I felt like you can wear it anywhere. It's very versatile. I would probably wear it to work on a Friday, a nice little casual Friday or whatever, with some cute loafers, leopard loafers. I just generally love the look. So this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. Now, this is a large, so it runs pretty big. Everything I'm showing you is a large. So it is very, very stretchy. It's kind of giving that, oh, I'm an extra and I can't stand the rain. Gets in a Missy Elliott video. When you put it on, it can give kind of clownish, because kind of bozo the clownish jumpsuit, because the crotch is so long. It is jogger material at the bottom, so to me, when you have a jogger to me goes well with a cute pump. If you don't believe me, put it down in the comments if you wanted me to put some looks together with some joggers and show you what I'm talking about. But yes, it goes off the shoulder. It just gives no shape. Like, it's like, and what really got me is the pockets is at my ankles. I ain't got time to be reaching down and putting nothing in my pocket. I can't do that. No. So this is definitely a no for me. This is going back, and I hate it because I absolutely love it. But honey, I mean, but it got pockets. If you don't care about the pockets being at your ankles, then go ahead and get it. But other than that, yeah. Or if you don't care about the pockets at all, I think it's like, I think it's cute. I just wish it had more of a defined look and not so balloonish. Like, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it down in the comments, and let's get into this next one. All right, guys, this next what I ordered versus what I got, I have been seeing this on all the sites. I mean, from Instagram to Shein, TEMU. I haven't seen it on Fashion Nova because I'm not a big Fashion Nova girl. I have some stuff that I've ordered from Fashion Nova, but I'm not a big Fashion Nova girl. and I just fell in love with it. And so this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. Y'all, this is what I got. Man, about this. Now, if you look at the material on this dress, it's given like it's jersey, like t-shirt material, like a t-shirt jersey material. So I'm like, oh my God, that's cute. That's something I can wear to the airport. Girl, this don't have no, and it looks defined, like it, you know, it fits and it hangs right. And this just looks like they put some material together and just like, yeah. So it's long in the front and then it's short in the back. That's what I loved about it. And then these pants are so ill fit. Like, it makes you, it adds weight to you. It makes you look bigger. Like, I feel like this should have been more flat, high waist. Yeah, they picked the wrong band for this, definitely. And I don't know, somebody didn't take their time with this, and that really upset me because I was super excited about this one and the next look that I'm gonna show you. But yeah, this is a no for me, and it's definitely going back. Tell me if you guys like it. I just feel bamboozled, led astray, hoodwinked, if you will. I just I'm heartbroken. So yeah, this is a no for me. All right, guys. This look here. Every time I went on the site, it was in my face. It was in my face. And I kept saying, no, I'm not gonna get it. And then they gave me an opportunity to get it for free, but I had to jump through so many hoops, and I was just like, oh, it's not even worth it. If next time I order, I'll just have it in my cart. So it was already in my cart when I got ready to do this, and it was at a good little range, so it worked out well. So this is what I ordered, and this is what I got, y'all. It did not disappoint. I love it. It goes behind the neck. You know, I'm going to show you what it looks like on. And it has this cute little flower design on it. It's tall girl friendly. Oh, because if I have not told you guys, your girl is 5'8". She is 5'8". She is, yeah. Some would say that's tall. So, yeah. She's long down to the floor, and she got pockets, baby, and they where they supposed to be, you know, like normal stuff. This is a low cut dip back, and yeah, honey, so this is definitely, ooh, the girls just called, group chat just said let's meet for drinks. You can throw this on and let them have it, child. Throw them on and let it have it. Very, very cute. Now, I will say, with this, if you care, it shows your imperfections. So if you have a little cellulite like myself, honey, it shows. Now, the thing is, do you care or not? Because I would definitely say, if you care, put some little shapewear on or whatever, or some little shorts or something like that. But if you don't, baby, we all got it. We all got it. We got to learn to appreciate what we had, because it could be worse. If you have stuck around to this part of the video, you are the real MVP, and I appreciate you, and I love you. I love you all, but I really love you if you made it to this point. And guys, tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. Did you like any of the ones? Because out of the 6, 3 of them I'm sending back. So tell me which one was your favorite. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. Let's kiki down in the comments, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I'm supplying my man, I'm in demand. Soon as I land, just know I roll with them goons. In case you start acting familiar, this kind of love, big business, whole slab I kill for. Know that booty gon' do